Bitcoin price currently hovers around $38,936, oscillating between $38,000 and $40,000 in recent days. This pattern reveals a notable consistency in its trading range. However, BTC has experienced a downward trend in its value. Over the past week, there's been a decline exceeding 10%, with a 5% drop in just the last 24 hours. This decrease has resulted in Bitcoin falling below the crucial $40,000 support level, signaling further downward movements on the charts. Interestingly, despite this dip in value, Bitcoin's trading volume has surged significantly. There's been an over 65% increase on the 24-hour trading volume, reaching an impressive $31 billion. The upsurge suggests a growing interest and active participation in Bitcoin trading among investors. And Bitcoin maintains its top position on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of $764 billion. The current circulating supply of Bitcoin is roughly 19.6 million Bitcoin, edging closer to the maximum supply limit of 21 million Bitcoin in 2020.
The Bitcoin price trends continue to intrigue investors as exchange-traded funds over ETFs focusing on this cryptocurrency show and remarkable trading volumes. Recent data indicates that these ETFs have collectively witnessed over $600 in daily trading volume. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust remains a significant contributor, accounting for more than half of this volume.
And volume on the Bitcoin ETFs remains very strong. Over $2 billion again today. GBTC still making up a bit more than half. Total volume in the first 7 trading days is just shy of $19 billion. James Seifert, January 22nd, 2024.
A J-Sif net to the same and NB experiments of the company.
In the initial 7 trading sessions, the cumulative volume approached $19 billion, showcasing the high investor interest in Bitcoin through ETFs. And a notable development, the iShares Bitcoin Trust managed by BlackRock added 4,808 Bitcoins from Coinbase Prime 9 hours ago. This latest acquisition, valued at approximately $194.4 million, brings the trust's total Bitcoin holdings to 33,040 waged, worth around $1.33 billion. And despite this surge in ETF activity, Bitcoin's price has not mirrored the enthusiasm, continuing to hover below the $40,000 mark. This contrast between high ETF trading volumes and the cryptocurrency's price dip presents a complex landscape for Bitcoin investors and market analysts. Bitcoin price experienced a significant surge earlier this year, climbing from $24,000 to a peak of $48,500. This uptrend was largely attributed to the approval of several spots Bitcoin ETFs by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Despite these positive developments, Bitcoin prices took an unexpected turn. Rather than continuing its ascent beyond $49,000, as many had anticipated, the price of Bitcoin experienced a sharp decline. And this decrease in Bitcoin's value has led to a critical juncture in its market trajectory. The next major support level is identified at around $38,000. If BTC breaks below this threshold, it could spiral down towards $35,000 and possibly even test the $30,000 mark. Conversely, a resurgence in bullish momentum might propel Bitcoin back to the $45,000 zone, or even surpass the $48,000 threshold once more. The indicators largely suggest a neutral stance, yet there is an apparent increase in selling pressure. The relative strength index, hovering at a neutral 34, provides no clear directional bias. However, the moving average convergence divergence indicators paint a somewhat gloomier picture, residing below the zero line and indicating a bearish outlook. The Chaikin Money Flow Index, which remains negative at negative 0.04, further emphasizes the short-term bearish trend in Bitcoin's market. Meanwhile, investors deliberating on whether to invest in the precious metal gold or Bitcoin may want to consider the two assets' performance in 2023. While Bitcoin price grew by 154.4% in 2023, gold managed only a 15% uptick in price. With the spot ETFs live, investment in Bitcoin could prove more profitable in 2024
and further dwarf gold's performance for another year in a row. However, it is worth noting the Bitcoin and the crypto market are highly volatile and may not suit all investor needs.
A good big converse scenes to crash. Bitcoin governor banks despite windows. The very rumor video that they're shilled, and 5 reasons why Bitcoin price crashes. A dip to 32.7K ahead. And what about your time? And beyond feeling of money. So, of course, Place is working on is intimidating that. But I don't have remember with that. Presentative, it ties